All right, today I'm going to do a little cooking. We got our Gates V belt for our CVF belt drive system, and we have a nice, brisk, hot deal. And well, if you're, cooking with pasta, sometimes we got to add the spicy things. There's your fucking belt. And there's some hot water because it's like 50 degrees outside, and I want to make sure this belt will stretch on the damn CVF system. So yeah, just add, one stock pot and one Gates belt to complete your CVF 351 Cleveland belt drive system in order to get the bitch on the system. Shout out to CVF Racing though for taking care of me yet again, sending me yet another part for the system that I've been having issues with. So I will give them that. They've been great to work with. Anyways, we're going to let this cook for a bit, and we'll be back in the garage.